Hi, welcome to ContactMonkey Academy. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about locking and replicating templates and moving them into folders. So this process is quite simple. If you ever want to lock a template that you're working on to prevent a team member from accidentally making changes that you don't like, all you need to do is just go into your templates page, select the template that you're wanting to lock just by clicking on the downwards arrow here, and then click lock, just like that. And then you'll notice in just a moment, there will be a little lock symbol that's generated right beside the title of the template, indicating that that's locked to only yourself for editing. If you have a team member who has created perhaps a master copy or maybe even locked their own template and you would like to have a copy of it yourself, all you need to do is go to the downwards arrow once again and click replicate. And what this is going to do is it's going to create an exact carbon copy of the first template. And you'll see here it's generated the same title with just the word copy behind it. So it will be the exact same copy of the template. However, it will be generated in your own name. Now, if you're looking to add some folder structure to your templates to keep things better organized, we can do that too. So all you need to do if you would like to move your templates into different folders is just click beside the templates you'd like. You can also use this mass editor here if you had quite a bit that you'd like to move over. So we can go ahead and select all. And then you'll notice that when we start selecting those, this menu pops up. So we have the option to delete or to move them. So now I'm just going to move those selected files into a different folder. So we have all of them selected on the left here. I'm going to click down into the move button, and here I'm going to select the folder that I'd like to move them into. So I'm going to go down to test templates and select that, and now you'll notice that's loading. It's moving them over to the new folder, and there you have it. We can see that we are inside the test templates folder as indicated by this button here, and then we can see the entire list of templates that we moved. So you can kind of decide how you want to organize your folder structure internally, whether it's by team or maybe by the topic of communication that you're sending out. And this is just a really great way to keep yourself organized. So I hope that today's session was helpful. Thanks so much for joining ContactMonkey Academy.